In this session, let us learn about finding LCM, lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple is the least number that is common multiple of both of the numbers. See the example, find the LCM of the following two numbers. See, by using np.lcm code, its result is 12. 12 because that is the lowest common multiple of both numbers. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Finding LCM in arrays. To find the lowest common multiple of all values in an array, you can use the reduce method. The reduce method will use the unfunc, in this case the LCM function on each element, and reduce the array by one dimension. Find the LCM of the values of the following in array. See, by using np.lcm and .reducer method, the result is 18. Because that is the lowest common multiple of all three numbers. 3 into 6 is equal to 18, 6 into 3 is equal to 18, and 9 into 2 is equal to 18. See another example, find the LCM of all an array where the array contains all integers from 1 to 10. See the result is 2520. Okay friends, this is the end of part 39, finding LCM. In next video, let us learn about another topic, finding GCD. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.